Insert the storage card into the card slot. Please pay attention to the direction of the card slot to prevent incorrect installation and tighten the screws to prevent water from entering. Place the bracket on the back of the host. Put the gasket in the screw and then screw it into the bracket hole. Tips: do not tighten the screw on one side. Wait for the screw on the other side to also be tightened before tightening. Match the other side of the bracket with the back bracket of the main unit, and select the appropriate gasket according to the bike pole for fixing. You can first tighten the screw on one side, and then tighten the other side. It can be tightened after adjusting the appropriate angle. Front camera bracket installation. Install the 360° rotating bracket in the appropriate position on the bike pole. Tighten the screws on both sides. Place the camera into the circular bracket connected to the 360° bracket and tighten it with screws. After tightening, install the nut and secure the camera bracket. The bracket can rotate 360 degrees to adjust the direction of the camera. It can be used as a selfie camera or front camera. Camera bracket installation.
Loosen the screws on the camera bracket and take it out. Place the bracket under the seat. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. Insert the piece into the screw. Align the camera with the bracket hole and insert the screw. Install nut, tighten with a wrench. Loosen the bracket to adjust the camera angle. After adjustment, tighten the bracket. Tear off the Velcro. Fix the Velcro to the taillights with screws. Then fixed on the seat pole. Choose the appropriate gasket according to the bike pole. After the selection, fix it on the seat pole with screws.
Wired controller bracket installation. Select the appropriate bracket according to the requirements and install it on the handlebar with a gasket. Tighten the fixed wire controller bracket on both sides with screws. Tear the adhesive tape on the back of GPS and paste it to fix it. After the GPS is installed, connect it to the host port. When fixing the position of the cable with V-SYS, please pay attention to the routing distance. Range the cable according to your bike type. Please cover the blue charging port with a waterproof cover to prevent water from entering and causing failure to charge. Installation completed. Display. Night effect.